So yes, this is the final look. Yes.
Yeah, I'm ballin' on the defense, shining like some sequins. Hair from overseas, it look like I don't speak no English. I look so expensive, he paying my expenses. You the help or do the dishes, yeah, my recipe on fishes. Ballin' on the defense, shining like some sequins. Hair from overseas, it look like I don't speak no English. Lord, no English, no English, no English. I want your nigga at the bank.
Hey, what's up, Mocha gang? It's your girl, Mocahantas, and boom. I'm about to get ready to do a makeup tutorial. So first I'm going to take some primer, and I'm just going to put that on my face, and then rub it all in. Boom, boom, boom. Yes, you got to make sure it's rubbed in, ladies. And if you don't know, primer actually helps your makeup stay on better, so it's beneficial. Now, for those who don't know, sometimes I don't use foundation. I just use concealer. And this is LA Pro Girl in Chestnut. Yes, we about to give y'all a ghetto makeup tutorial. You heard it here first. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm just putting it everywhere I fucking need it because I'm looking rough. So, yes, make sure you just apply wherever you feel like you need it. I just pretty much put it in my highlight areas and a little down there because I have a big ass chin and we do not need to insinuate it. Okay, insinuate it. I think that's what it is. So yes, then you just take your wet beauty blender. This is the Real Techniques beauty blender. I love this beauty blender. My face when I'm putting on makeup is so funny. Like, girl, fix your face. But yes, blend, 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 ho. You gotta blend till you can't blend no more. Hey, blend, 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 ho. You gotta blend till you can't no more. What the fuck? Hey, yo. This is why I don't do voiceovers. So next, we just going to take our setting powder. That is Maybelline Fit Me in Dark. And we just going to go ahead and powder my face. Now, I don't know why my brush is just a half a brush. This is my favorite brush. Might be time to replace it. But yes, I used to use the pink one. But now I love that one for contouring. So yes, we just going to go ahead and set our face and get the ashy off of it. Because my light was just a little too bright. So yes, we're going to try to get the ashy off. Go ahead, powder that nose, sis. Okay, so next I take the same setting powder and just go under my eyes. Because I don't know if y'all can tell, but a bitch was tired. Okay, like go ahead and get them bags. Get them bags, sis. So next we're going to take the Dark Radiance Contour Powder. That's in medium to dark. And we're just going to go ahead and take that pink brush I was talking about and powder and contour my face. Yo, I swear I love contour so much. Contour brings the dimension back to your face, okay? And then have your face snatched. So if you have like a little double chin, go ahead and you take it a little bit under it. Just like that. You take it under there and you snatch that chicken turkey neck. You snatch that turkey neck for filth, okay? So yes, I just go ahead and set wherever I wanted to be a little bit darker at, because as y'all saw, I was a little ashy. So next it's time to snatch that nose, sis. Why am I blowing so hard? Yes, as you can see, I just followed the natural line of my nose. Now, my nose is a little bit crooked, but we can always fix that. Okay. So, yes, you just go ahead and just snatch it and follow your natural nose line. We do not need you out here looking like Michael Jackson, sis. So, do not go overly... Some people snatch their nose a little bit too much for me. Okay. So, yes, make sure it just look a little bit natural. Period. So next we about to go ahead and set with my LA girls. LA color. We're going to go ahead and set with that. And then we're going to use my bougie fan, which is not available yet because I'm bougie. So no, y'all. I'm thinking about selling this fan. I don't know if I will yet, but yes, this is how I set my face. Just go ahead and, just fan a little bit. So now I'm just going to take that same brown color and I'm just going to go ahead and define my crease in my eyes. Girl, listen to me sound like a real YouTuber. Define that crease, sis. So yeah, I like to go in with brown first. Yes. Work, honey. Work it. As y'all can see, this is why I do not do voiceovers, because I'm goofy as heck. Okay, so yes, we just gonna go ahead and define that crease. Okay, that's the sad Jimmy, y'all. I'm sorry. We're gonna go ahead and take this burgundy from this little palette that I got. I think I got it from Dollar General. I love this palette. That burgundy is everything. So I'm gonna just go ahead and define my crease a little bit more with that burgundy. And yes, get into it. Look at me acting like I'm like a real makeup artist. Period, poop. But yes, look at fish teas. Fish teas. And yes, we just gonna go ahead and take this rose palette, and I'm gonna go into, it's like a burgundy-ish purple in there that I love. So we're gonna go into that with my other brush. And period, pool, we're gonna get into it. Okay, so yes, go ahead and take that burgundy and just go ahead and take it and define that crease just a little bit more. Then I'm gonna just go ahead and take one of these LA colors and use the black out of that. I love this little makeup palette as well. So yes, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish my eyes, finish my makeup. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. And I'm not gonna talk no more during my voiceover. I'm gonna just let y'all see what I did. I'll be sure to link all my products in the description box. And I'll see y'all later. Mocha gang, Mocha gang. Make sure you subscribe. Okay.
Hi, Ty. Yeah. Fantasy. Mocha gang. Hey, Ty. Hey, Ty. Mocahantas, bitch. Yeah, I'm ballin' on the defense, shining like some sequins. Hair from overseas, it look like I don't speak no English. I look so expensive, he paying my expenses. You the help or do the dishes, yeah, my recipe on fishes. Ballin' on the defense, shining like some sequins. Hair from overseas, it look like I don't speak no English. Lord, no English, I don't speak no English. No English, no English, I don't speak no English. I'm with your nigga at the bank, cause I'm everything you ain't. Smoking on that dank, shut up ho, you stink. My weed so immaculate, this money I been stacking it. My edges be on accurate, they suck, they be vacuuming. Hating hoes ain't happy, yeah, I'm on just like a peppy. Stay behind me in the backseat, ho, I can see your trappy. I need a EM aftermath, flip my hair acrobat. They under me like welcome mat, you a bird, falcon hat. Ballin' on the defense, shining like some sequins. Hair from overseas, it look like I don't speak no English. I look so expensive, he paying my expenses. You the help or do the dishes, yeah, my recipe on fishes. Ballin' on the defense, shining like some sequins. Hair from overseas, it look like I don't speak no English. Lord, no English, I don't speak no English. No English, no English, I don't speak no English. They mad, they offended, I'm doing very splendid. She a bird, she a pigeon, ho, you need to mind your business. Hair came from Brazil, I be dressed to kill, look like a model in these heels. Bitch, fuck how you feel, earring chandelier, I can hardly hear. Feel the pressure like a pier, but they see me crystal clear. Diamonds cold AC, you a no maybe. I'm above KD, I'm getting dough, rain me. Ballin' on the defense, shining like some sequins. Hair from overseas, it look like I don't speak no English. I look so expensive, he paying my expenses. You the help or do the dishes, yeah, my recipe on fishes. Ballin' on the defense, shining like some sequins. Hair from overseas, it look like I don't speak no English. Lord, no English, I don't speak no English. No English, no English, I don't speak no English. Lord. Hey, Ty. Yeah, cool. Freon, ice. It's Mocahantas, bitch. Hey, Ty. Yeah. They ain't know what we on. Niggas acting, call them neon. Yeah, I'm cold. Freon, ice. You 100, you a neon. They ain't know what we on. Niggas acting, call them neon. Yeah, I'm cold. Freon, ice. You 100, you a neon. I'm so cold, girl. I'm so cold, I need a fur. Shorty, you a clone, but you look like her. Need a phone, who is this? Yeah, I'm cold, ice pit. Diamonds on me late, yeah, I'm cold lemonade. Ice.
So, yo, I'm gonna grade. This is how my face looks so far. I'm gonna grade curl my hair, and I'll be back after I put my clothes on and show y'all the finished look. Also, another thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna contour. Like, where's my contour? Oh. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna contour around my baby hair. Blend that together. So yes, I'll be back with the finished look. I'm so foreign.
Yeah, I'm so foreign. Yeah, I'm so foreign. Yeah, I'm so foreign.
Freon, ice. Is Mocahantas beating?
Hey, Ty. Yeah.